Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine a single 30,000-pound bunker busting warhead slicing through miles of fortified rock, obliterating Iran's deepest nuclear stronghold in one terrifying instant. In the next few minutes, we will uncover the true power behind this monstrous weapon, the science that makes it lethal, and the strategic ripple effects one single strike can send across global security. Stay with me as we journey from the fundamental engineering all the way to the geopolitical battlefield today. This immense weapon is no ordinary bomb. It is specifically engineered to penetrate deeply buried targets before detonating. A genre of munition known as a bunker buster. At 30,000 pounds, it requires a heavy bomber platform for delivery. It carries a warhead capable of crushing reinforced subterranean structures. Its sheer mass helps it punch through layers of earth, rock, concrete, and steel long before releasing its destructive energy. For decades, militaries have pursued this capability to neutralize hardened facilities. Today's model pushes those limits further than ever before. At its core, this bomb's design is all about force and delay. The casing is hardened with advanced alloys, built to resist deformation on impact. Inside, a delay fuse initiates detonation only after the bomb has bored deep into its target. The outer shell alone withstands crushing G-forces as it drills downward at supersonic speed. Once deep underground, the delayed explosion unleashes a shockwave capable of breaching inner chambers. This method multiplies its effectiveness by using the surrounding earth as a destructive lens, focusing the blast on critical infrastructure deep inside buried nuclear facilities. Dropping a 30,000-pound bomb is not simple. Only a select few bombers worldwide have the payload capacity to carry it. Aircraft like the B-2 Spirit or advanced heavy-lift jets. Pilots must navigate hostile airspace at low altitude to avoid radar detection. Reaching a hardened target deep inside a defended region demands escort fighters, electronic jamming, and decoys. Timing is crucial. Bomb doors must open precisely. The release must be perfect to ensure the trajectory aligns with the deepest structural layers. One misstep and the bomb could shatter too early or miss entirely. Once released, gravity and aerodynamics take over. Its tapered nose fractures through soil and rock. Stabilization fins keep it on course. The mass of the bomb drives it downward with fierce momentum, cutting through several hundred feet of ground before impact. During this plunge, the bomb's casing absorbs huge stress, yet remains intact. No easy feat in engineering. Sensors and accelerometers inside record deceleration data in real time. When the final layers of hardened concrete crack, the bomb achieves its goal, placing the explosive payload deep within the heart of the subterranean complex. Deep underground, the delayed fuse finally triggers the explosion. Instead of a surface blast, the confinement amplifies the shockwave, forcing energy laterally and vertically through layers of rock. The result is catastrophic. Tunnels collapse, vaults cave in, buried infrastructure implodes. Nuclear enrichment chambers are crushed under mass collapse while reinforcement systems fail. The earth above may show only a minor crater, but underneath the facility lies in ruins. From a tactical standpoint, this ensures critical systems are destroyed while minimizing widespread surface damage or radiological fallout. Assuming proper design and precise targeting, imagine Iran's underground enrichment site carved deep beneath a mountain, shielded by reinforced walls. A strike from such a bunker buster tears through mountain, shield, and structure in one devastating blow. Enriched uranium cascades into gaping holes between collapsed tunnels. Centrifuge arrays are pulverized. Even if fragments survive, access becomes nearly impossible to repair. Beyond physical devastation, the psychological impact is immense. Deterrence rooted in the literal destruction of supposedly invulnerable strongholds. The message is clear. No bunker is safe, no matter how deep, no matter how heavily reinforced against attack. Such a strike would shock global politics. Iran's strategic posture would be crippled. International pressure would skyrocket. The world's nuclear safeguards would face extreme scrutiny. Opponents would reevaluate their hidden infrastructure. Allies would debate legality and escalation. Nations might accelerate underground weapons programs or rush into arms races. Diplomacy would shift overnight. Powers might fear preemptive strikes, demanding new treaties or calling for stronger surveillance. In short, a single bomb could create a seismic shift in balance of power, altering the course of international security in ways that last for decades. Deploying this weapon carries grave moral weight. Even hidden deep underground facilities are often near civilian areas. Collateral damage could be severe: falling debris, seismic tremors, even hidden fallout. Underground water tables might be contaminated. Echoing collapses could destabilize villages above. International law questions would arise. Is the target a true military necessity, or is the destruction disproportionate? The decision to use such a bomb weighs heavily, not only on strategic leaders, but on humanity's conscience. The calculation is never just about destruction. It is about ethics, responsibility, and the future of stability. As technology advances, so does the capability to strike deeper and harder. Emerging materials make casings stronger. Artificial intelligence enhances targeting. Robotic delivery systems could refine precision even further. Yet the underlying question remains: how do we balance deterrence and destruction? A 30,000-pound bunker buster delivers unstoppable force, but wielded recklessly, it can unravel peace. The line between security and devastation grows thinner with each innovation. Stay informed, stay critical, and consider the future we forge with military power. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.